Hey everyone, this is Brandon McPeak here at Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. Yeah, coming to you live with another video. We left off in the last video where we was working on my camper that I got for free. So, it's a beautiful day today here in West Tennessee. I'm going to bring you inside and show you what I got done. Okay, here we go. All this right here is completed. Screens put in. I went ahead and did the door. I got as close to the color as I could. And I'm in the process of painting this to match this. In the last video, I told you we had to take the end off because it was in bad shape. But we got this done. All right, I'm going to take you inside and show you. All right. All right. It has two latches in each corner. So it folds down this way and it stops about right there. So when you let the top down, it's not hitting. And we had to do a lot of wiring. Got the table in here. Now it comes loose and fits in between here and there, so it lays out to make a bed. And let's see, still waiting on the refrigerator. Got the heater working, stove's working, water's working. Air conditioner works. I've got an extra mattress. Anybody that needs one. I also will have either these two slide ins or the ones I redone with Luan. Those can go. And then this bench seat, which is very comfortable. It folds out to about right here. It makes another big bed. And it's getting close to being done. And also, we have, my dad is building another airboat. And he loves his airboats. Alright, I'll show you this too. Alright, most all this stuff he gets, he's the creator. He found him a big fan, and he's got pulleys for it. He's got it tied down. He's going to take it to the weld shop. I welded these on yesterday. But, you know, he's very creative. Not sure if it's going to work, but it might. And then we got our goats. Mr. Bill, what are you doing, buddy? Come here, Mr. Bill. What are you doing, Mr. Bill? They like to nibble on your fingers. And here comes the rest of them. Hey, baby. I think after each litter, the goats are getting smaller and smaller. And then I got a newbie little baby here. She's about a couple weeks old. And that's her mama. She was bottle fed. Come here, baby. So this is Grand Central. And here's some of the stuff we have. daddy and his lawnmower collection. And there's the golf cart with the 420cc engine that we built. He still rides it every now and then. Alright, I'd like to give a shout out to Try It On Haul. I think that's what the name of it is. Miss Abby Angel. Go check out her YouTube channel. She is a fine one. And her friend Nadia's Aqua. Y'all enjoy them. Alright, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. Signing out. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe this summer. See ya.